Right. Lloyd Kahn sent me a copy of the book that he put us in. See if I can find this. There it was. Sounds quick. That's super cool. Oh, this is Paul Elkins' camper. This is a cool little camper. I'd feel claustrophobic and hot in the summer. I want the sides to open up. That's so awesome about my design. Both sides, both these sides open up. Three-way airflow. See if there's any other small campers this side. Nope. Oh yeah, this guy. I just read about this guy in the last couple of years, but he was doing it back in the 80s. Crazy. When a bike go. Pioneer. That's a pioneer in the digital nomad life. Wow, look at that picture. That's cool. I wouldn't want to be reliant on those little things, those little tuk-tuks. Alright, no more small ones, just getting back up into regular tiny homes. Oh, that's pretty small. Pretty cool. I like the asymmetry of this door. I like that door a lot. That's cool. Oh wow. This one, the roof opens up. That's really interesting design. Caravan. I want to see more on this vehicle and what's inside. I want to see it open up. Doggone it. You guys can't do this to us. No. You can't just show that feature and then not show. You can't just show that. That's not fair. That's cool. She made a tiny home out of a horse trailer. A really small looking one too. That's cool, actually. It's really small living. That's really cool though. She's got really good airflow though. She's got this whole end that's open and then there's two doors at the other end. That's just really nice. Those make pretty good little trailers for living in. Horse trailers. Crazy. Well, I am not even. This thing is so long. Get your own. Shelter Publications. Rolling Homes.